Kill them with kindness to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business, and our idiom today is to kill with kindness or kill them with kindness. This is a cookie that my sister made for my granddaughter's first birthday. She makes the most adorable, awesome cookies on the planet because she is genuinely a very kind person. Now, I like this idiom. I've heard it my entire life. I'm going to grab my magnifying glass so I can talk about its origin a little bit more clearly. It's been around since Shakespearean times. Shakespeare used it in the play The Taming of the Shrew, as well as it's been sprinkled throughout literature and throughout history. It originated with the from an obscure English proverb, which isn't very nice. It's about apes killing their young. It said, "Kill with kindness as fine apes do their young." As fine apes do their young. And that idiom's no longer popular, which I can imagine why. But basically, the apes would love their young and hug them so tight they would crush them and kill them sometimes, mommy apes. So that was a saying back in a long, long time ago. I don't even remember. Probably the 1500s it was popular in, and it fell out of favor probably because people don't want to talk about crushing their young. And it didn't really have the best connotation, but neither does this idiom. And I haven't heard it or used it in this way, the real meaning of it, which is, you know, news to me. But it basically means to be extremely helpful, sugary and sweet, and overly kind because you really want to set somebody up, right? So somebody's dieting, and I've personally experienced this throughout my lifetime. Whenever I was on a diet, my friends and family would offer me every sweet treat, every candy, everything under the sun. Some of my sisters still do it. Hey, have a caramel, just eat some caramels. And they know that that is my weakness. I love caramels. So it means to be extremely helpful, solicitous toward, or generous towards somebody with really the intention of causing that person discomfort or harm. Wow, right? That's not what I thought it meant. I thought it meant just be kind to everybody, but it doesn't really mean that. It means you're being kind with kind of an ulterior motive underneath. So I would say we definitely don't want to do that when we're growing and building and supersizing our business, right? We want to be kind and treat people the way we want to be treated to grow and build our business and to make the world a better place. Because why are we creating businesses and supersizing them if it's not to make a positive difference, to set an example, and to make the world a better place? You can do that. You can do it just for whatever reasons you want. But why not double it up and make it a win-win for everybody? Make the world a better place while you're growing and building and supersizing your business. Love to know your personal experience with this particular idiom. Like I said, I thought it was just, hey, be kind, treat everybody the way you want to be treated, but it really means to treat people in a sugarly sweet, fake kind way. I think of negotiations whenever I hear this, or things like that, or twisted puffery in marketing and things, because and that's what it apparently means. It, you know, kill the competition with kindness. Oh, I got one for you. How do you kill the competition with kindness? I found an article on this that I thought was really good. Number one, ignore the competition. Because guess what? If you're being you and doing you and serving your people to the best of your ability and continually improving at that, you have no competition. Number two, copy the competition. Learn from them. Copy what they're doing well, or find your own way of doing it better. Number three, befriend the competition. Guess what? It's amazing what we can do when we put our heads together and have strategic alliances with our competition or with people we previously considered our competition. 4, recommend your competition. Recommend your competition to people that aren't going to buy your products or services anyway. Because guess what? Sometimes we're not right for people that come to us and want to buy our products and services because we offer too much, or it's out of their price range, etc. And then finally, help your competition, right? Help your competition to be better. If you continually improve and be the best you can in your industry, you bring the whole industry up with you. So I thought that was a good article, because I actually believe that if you're being yourself, if you're serving your people and doing the best you can and continually improving, you really don't have any competition. Why? Because there's only one you. There's only one of your business. If you're making yourself unique and special and building on your strengths and ignoring your weaknesses. Or not ignoring, but minimizing them so that they don't even matter. That's it. Have an awesome day. I'll, of course, be sitting around with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business right now? Have a great day.